about 5 degrees this morning, and been struggling finding a good big track. Past kind of mediocre. I come way back in here and across the stream and haven't gone very far. Cut a track that's really fresh. It's like it's windy out here in the road and it's got barely any dust in it. Not the biggest one in the woods, but it's a decent track, something like around. Might as well take it, see where it leads us. Better to be on a buck track than wandering around aimlessly, so let's see if we can get a look at it anyway. Not too bad. It's bigger than the one we saw yesterday. See how it's got some round toes in there?
Yes, I can see it.